Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this. This is our official unboxing of the All Mountain Systems Fire Kit, the number 29 Fire Kit. It's a versatile fire starting kit. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so what we'll see here in the fire kit, our contents are the dual packs of matches that include windproof, waterproof matches, wax twine, steel wool balls, alcohol pads, inferno cord, which is our wax fused fire starting rope, flint rod and steel scraper, fire bellows, all contained within here. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have. So one of the first things you'll see when we open up our fire kit is the inferno cord. You're going to get eight strands of inferno cord to help you light those fires out there. This is really great windproof, waterproof fire starting rope, and then as you see, you can unwind them until each individual strand, and then you can separate them as you need. You can coil them up, you can frame them apart. If they get wet, you just simply shake them off and you can light it up. One of the next items we have here is going to be our windproof, waterproof matches. We're going to go ahead and give you 8 of those in here. And we're going to give you 2 different lighting surfaces, and I'll show those as we go on just here in just a minute. We also included the oxynizer in all our fire kits, so anything that contains any of our matches, just as an added safety precaution during shipment. The old school regular pack of matches, I'm going to be honest, 9 times out of 10, this is going to work. You don't need anything super crazy out there. So, again, please make sure you do carry a lighter, obviously, but having a kit like this as a backup is fantastic. Another thing we have to help get everything going, steel wool balls. If you pull these apart and light them, you can kind of get a nice little ember nest going there and get some items going up. We have this wax twine. Now you can chop this up and use it as basically like a type of inferno cord yourself, or you can use it kind of like a candle, or you can always wrap things into it. I like to wrap some dry brush and things that I find in this, and then I know that it'll have that little bit of sustained flame kind of in it to get it going. Alcohol pads, again, if you like these, obviously. And another just way to start a fire. I wanted to give you multiple ways to start a fire in the fire kit. One of my favorite things here is the fire bellows. And this is great if you don't want to burn your beard, or you don't want to get that close to the fire. You can simply pinpoint it and be able to get that direct oxygen you need on the fire to get it going, or to get it hotter, or to better spread. Of course, I'm going to include in here for you guys ferro rod, striker scraper, a little bit of a multi-use. You've seen these around before, but I also like to wrap everything up for you guys in a little bit extra of that twine, just so you can kind of carry it with you, because I know it's kind of a pain when you have these in your pocket just kind of running around. So, and then I include for you another striking surface. This is actually a sticker, and so what I end up doing a lot of times is I'll start for the bottom here or here. Don't worry about ignition at all. Keep everything together in these plastic bags. It also kind of keeps it all separated for us, so we don't have any of those unfortunate mishaps. And there you guys have it. That is the fire kit by All Mountain Systems. Thank you again for taking a look.